YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we've teamed up with our favorite brand Home Hardware to do another home renovation. We have been itching to get at this project. With wanting to do a more healthy lifestyle over 2021, we thought the perfect project to start the new year was a home gym renovation. Here's how. This dark and dingy basement is really not that motivating. We're gonna do a complete transformation and get inspired.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. And give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, to pieces.
Philip and I just finished hanging a bunch of lights. We're doing some slim 4-pack LEDs on the little pot lights there, which we just made some wood brackets since they're going to really be low profile once we paint the ceiling. And then we also did some trends lighting, and we did these 1 foot by 4 foot long LED lights. These are going to really brighten up our space. So we have 2 of those, one on each end of the basement. So we're just about to get the power turned on for the LED lights to see how this place got lit up.
Come with me.
Floor paint. I don't even know where I think I made it worse.
Did you?
Look at it, it's all down my face.
Aww.
Oh man. be snow. Look like I'm covered in snow in the. How do I look?
You look fabulous.
Thank goodness for this Wagner sprayer that I have. Is making doing the ceiling so much easier. I did the first 3 of the floorboards underneath just using a roller, and it was really seeping in the paint. It looked super blotchy, and not only that, but all the blood was rushing to my shoulders. And I was thinking, how long can I possibly do this? So I thought I best try using my sprayer. I really am always worried about overspray, but since we haven't done anything in this space, it's kind of the perfect spot to use this. And so this is the flexio 570. I've used this for different projects before, and I'm super excited that I have it for this because it's gonna save me a lot of time, and it's also really good on your uses of paint. So we have lots more spraying to do. We're gonna tag team the ceiling, and hopefully we get a full big coat on this tonight before we go to bed.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now. Yeah, I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life. Yeah, I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. All we have
So much fun.
You're doing a really good job.
Whew, I'm gonna need some new arms after this. It's a workout. Okay, that was so much fun. We have the ceiling totally done one coat. We'll probably do a second coat tomorrow, but we definitely need showers now. I'm totally covered in paint, but this was the best option for me to use the paint sprayer, and boy, it saved us so much time. And we have lots of paint left from doing the ceiling, so I'm thrilled because it actually conserved a lot of paint for us. Ceiling, we're ready now to start doing our drywalling tomorrow. We're gonna get a good night's rest, and we'll be at this again tomorrow. How do I look?
You look splendid.